The DMM Zodiac Carabiner is a very strong offset D connector with a 32 kilonewton major axis that is ideal for rescue loads and life support applications. The clean nose gate uses DMM's patented taper lock design and its toughest barrel to give very strong gate open and side face strengths. The DMM Zodiac is recommended for general use where weight saving and high strength are important. It weighs 79 grams. The offset D connector shape takes the optimal loading of a D-shaped connector, but with an increased internal volume at one end, the basket. This adds to the positivity in the hand, especially when wearing gloves. DMM's patented taper lock closing mechanism increases gate push-in and cross-gate strength, using a special flared profile on the nose of the carabiner, as well as allowing a snag-free connection for your ropes, slings, and devices.